Hello friends, welcome back to another video of science related stuff. So in this video, I will be talking to you about an experiment in which I will show you how a small factor like the surface energy of an object plays an interesting and unnoticeable part in our life. So first of all, we must all know what is this surface energy or interference energy. Surface energy is the energy which an object having a particular surface area, say for example a spherical surface area, possesses in it due to the presence of an interface of that object with a different medium, for example water, air, milk, etc. Let us say for example I have a spherical metallic ball. Then due to the presence of the interface of that metallic surface and air, it will have a particular surface energy like say E1. Now if that spherical metallic ball is coated with a thin film of water, then it will have a different surface energy due to the presence of a different interface, that is the water and the air, say E2. And these two surface energies, that is E1 and E2, will not be equal to each other. So in our today's experiment, we will try to make you see that how this surface energy have an impact on small objects. So here the plastic plate that we have with us has a surface energy of around 20 to 50 dynes per centimeter due to the presence of the interface of that plastic surface and air. And when this plastic plate is coated with a thin film of water, then it has a surface energy of around 70 to 80 dynes per centimeter. So for the similar objects we are seeing that they have different surface energy due to the different interfaces that they have. That is, in the first example we have the simple plastic plate surface and the air, and in the second case we had the plastic plate surface coated with a thin film of water. So here the interface is between the layer of water and the air. Now we will drop these two objects, that is one dry and another wet, with different surface energies into water, and will note the time it takes to reach the bottom. But here the main thing that we need to notice is that as before dropping, the dry plastic plate has a lower surface energy than the wet plastic plate. So obviously, after dropping them into the water, both the surfaces will have the same interface. That is simply the surface of the plastic plate and the water. And hence, because of this reason, both of them will possess the same surface energy inside the water. But before dropping, as we know that there is a difference in the surface energies in the two cases. So because of that difference in the surface energy, which is around 40 to 50 dynes per centimeter, the second case, that is the wet surface plate, it will have some extra energy with it as compared to that of the dry surface plate. And that extra energy that the dry surface plate possesses with it will help it to gain some extra kinetic energy inside the water. If I say these things in a simple words, the wet surface plastic plate will have a greater velocity inside the water as compared to the dry surface plastic plate. Thus, from the very known formula from the classical physics, that is speed equal to distance by time or time equal to distance by speed, we may expect that the wet surface plastic plate will take a less time to reach the bottom of the bucket in this case as compared to the dry surface plastic plate. Here in this experiments, the equipments that we are going to use are a flat plastic plate surface which is rectangular in shape, and in order to provide it some stability and also to increase its weight, I had added two 25 paisa coins at its corner. Secondly, I have a transparent bucket, and finally I have a timer in order to measure the time up to 2 decimal places.